Hi, I'm the Herb Guy. Black Walnuts Part 5, making the capsules. So, we are finally finished with the drying part of it. These are very hard, and they are ready to go. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn them into a powder. Now you can do many different things with it. You can do old school style and go with a mortar and pestle, but I am not. You can use a food processor, you can use a grain mill. We are just going to simply use our Ninja, which I showed you before. I'm going to go ahead and powderize it real quick, and I'm going to show you what I come up with and the total weights involved. Hang on. Okay, so what we have here is a very fine powder. Looks like coffee, doesn't it? We're going to take this. We're going to use one of these machines. And I'm going to show you how to make capsules with it real quick. And we will go from there. Hang on. So here's our setup. We're going to put the longer pieces, what I call the bottoms, into this part. And they'll fit flush. You're going to take the shorter ones, called the top. You're going to put in this part, and they will also sit flush. And after that, we're going to go ahead and add the powder. Hang on. Okay, so to start, you're only going to need a couple tablespoons of your powder. Take your powder. These are loaded in. You might be able to see them. Probably not. Alright, so those are loaded in. You take them and you spread them. Put some on there. Go back and forth with your spreader card, which is essentially just a plastic business card that fits right in there. You keep doing that until you have everything as smooth as you can get it. You have this tool here that's called a tamper tool. Take your tamper tool, push down. That'll automatically pack your capsules, and you just redo this process. Once you've tamped that twice, go ahead and take what's left over and pour it out. You take your tops that are here, you put them on top and squeeze. Pull these out and your capsules are ready. Just push out from the bottom and they'll fly all over. Some of them have popped, didn't come out quite as easy as I would have liked. But you have your capsules. You'll end up, this one here looks like about 20 of them will be good. But there's our capsules, black walnut whole capsules. I think the next video I'll do what are the benefits of this and see what they're good for. Did this help anybody? Is anybody going to make some capsules out of these? Let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, stay tuned for some pretty new cool videos. Thanks for watching. Bye. The first time using this machine, we ended up with 19 capsules, which isn't bad for the first time. So I'm going to go ahead and do a YouTube video on how to make these capsules with this machine and see if we can get 24 out the gate. Now we'll say, everybody have a good day. Bye.